Guys, coming at you with your MPT strength and power programming. So starting on a new series of strength and power. So we're gonna do 4 weeks, strength and power, building up. Should be seeing some noticeable strength gains along the way. So we'll be looking at those numbers along the way, and should be pretty impressed with yourselves after the 4 weeks. We're gonna start off, hit your dynamic warm-up. Look up the video for dynamic warm-up if you don't have it memorized by now. Then we're gonna go into our movement prep. For movement prep, we're gonna start off with 10 PVC pass-throughs, a little bit wider grip. Remember, if you need to, go a little wider or bend an elbow. We're trying to get a little stretch, maybe get all the way through, but not trying to tear anything. So if you feel anything sharp or too aggressive, back it off just a hair. From there, we got jump squats. Go ahead and place your PVC or broomstick handle down, squatting down, coming up. Most important thing is the landing. After you knock out 10, we're gonna go to our barbell. So we have power clean pulls. We're gonna be taking these from the floor or from the shins, depending if you have any weight on the bar. So about mid shin if your bar is empty. So remember the power clean hand position, about thumb's distance outside the hips. Come down to mid shin, nice flat back, chin tucked, shoulders over top of the bar. You're gonna drive up, big pull, reset, back down. After 10, you're gonna shake it out, get ready to go into the rest of our workout. We got a horizontal load, so remember that's going through on straight sets. We're gonna start off with hang power cleans, and then we're gonna go push jerks, front squats, bench press. All of those you're gonna go through all 4 sets of the hang power clean before going on to the next exercise. Also give yourselves about 60 seconds of rest between the heavy sets as you start to get a little fatigued. The hang power clean, be coming down to right around the kneecaps. From here, really driving it up. The barbell should feel almost weightless. Shooting the elbows through. Back down. Elbows through. Back down. Shake it out. Got 4 rounds total. My recommendation is to start nice and light, maybe just the barbell, and then start to progress it up. From there, we're going into a push jerk. So we're gonna take the barbell back up. From here, push jerk is you're gonna dip, drive yourself underneath it. Back down, dip, drive yourself underneath. 4 sets of 5. Then we have your front squat. In front squat, show a couple variations. And if you need to, if your shoulders, wrists, hands, any of that stuff is hurting too bad to hold this position, then you can either cross the arms, keep the elbows up high, or you can go with a dumbbell or kettlebell front squat, holding a goblet position in front. If you've got your barbell, keep the chest nice and upright. Remember, you don't have to have a full grip on the bar, just a couple fingers there. Keeping the bar resting on your front delts. Sitting back like you're going into a chair. Full range of motion, squeezing at the top. Some of you might be a little bit more of a fight at the bottom position to keep your chest upright. Just remember to not disengage. So just no getting down, no collapsing at the bottom. And then bench press. Not gonna demo it, we know what it is. Bring it all the way down, touch chest, back up. 3 sets of 6. And that'll be through the horizontal load portion. Coming down into a vertical load, also known as a circuit. Gonna be resting as needed on this one. So for your first exercise, you're gonna be going through 10 TRX rows. Let's make those low rows, keep the shoulders down, leaning back, bringing the fists and ribs together, big squeeze of the upper back, control it back out. Then you can snag the barbell, you got 10 barbell curls. Go back to your TRX. On the TRX straps, you're gonna be facing away, leaning out slightly, bend the elbows, extend the arms straight for your TRX tricep extensions. So again, you're gonna walk it out into a kind of a high plank position. Arms are straight, you're gonna lean through, bend the elbows, extend back out. And then finally, sit-ups. Full range if you can. If you need to have something to hold your toes, it's a little cheaty, so if you can do the sit-ups without anything holding your feet, please do so. And with there being 3 sets of 20, that do mean 3 sets of 20, so you're gonna go through everything 2 rounds, and you get a bonus round of core. So knock it all out, come back around, get 1 more round of sit-ups in. So hope you guys are having a great week and continuing on getting stronger and ready for your next adventure.